Ending the day at 103.16, up around 77 cents from yesterday's trading session. That's going to be PDD. Now, here on the weekly chart, what are we looking at in here going forward resistance wise? 104.14. That's going to be our number. That's going to be that 23.6 fib level. That is what we're watching first. Above that 9-day EMA here of that 106.35. Anything above that, we're looking at the 113.99s, basically call it 114. That's going to be a good area for us resistance wise. And then above that, we have a gap in here that we do need to fill right around that 115, 116 area. Now, levels of support in here, obviously big psychological level here, right around that $100 level. Anything below that, we're looking at this 93.2 200 SMA on the weekly chart. Now, on the daily chart in here, you can see exactly where everything has been moving over the past couple weeks. Notice the volume in here has basically stayed unchanged ever since that big move that we had in here about 3 weeks ago. So kind of keep that in mind. We'd have decent enough volume in here over the past week relative to itself, right? So if you compare this candle to this candle, it's basically the same, but we kind of want it back in here so we can get big moves in here, bigger swings, more implied volatility coming in, helping us basically playing this which way. Now, 9-day EMA in here is going to be immediate support. We've been riding that here for the past couple of days. That is currently trading at 102. So good news is we are above that. We are above that big psych level of 100. So that is good. But now we have to work our way over this hump of this 104.14. Hold that little consolidation. Maybe bring this 200 SMA down closer to this 9-day EMA, get a little bit of consolidation, contraction here before we start splitting off and then expanding either one way or the other here, volatility wise. So that is kind of what we're looking at overall in here on PDD. Implied volatility rank is at 10, right around a $2 expected move by this Friday. Next Friday, right around $4. Go all the way out to July. Everybody's pricing in right around an $8 expected move. So overall, good news in here. We're above 100. We're above this 102, that 9-day EMA. Bad news, we need some volume in here so we can kind of get us going, and then hopefully we can get some implied volatility to kind of start coming in here so we can kind of get an expansion one way or another. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.